Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a custom field in Salesforce, specifically a picklist field, and how to modify the picklist values when your business needs to evolve. This is perfect if your organization is growing or if you're tailoring Salesforce to better match your unique process. And when you're done learning how to create a custom field, we've got a special video at the end that will show you how to increase your overall results with Salesforce while reducing your license costs. It introduces a new program that offers rebates on your Salesforce licenses that you can use to invest in training and consulting. So be sure to check that out when we're done with this. Now let's dive in. First, from anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen and select Setup. This will take you to the back end where all customizations happen. In Setup, click the Object Manager tab at the top of the page. Now search for and select the object that you want to customize. In this example, we use the lead object, but the steps are nearly identical for objects like account, contact, opportunity, or any custom object. Inside the object, go to the fields and relationships, and then click New to create a new custom field. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose the field type. Since we're creating a drop-down field, choose Picklist or Picklist Multi-Select, depending on whether users should be able to select one value or multiple values. Then click Next. Now define the field details. Enter a field label like lead interest level or engagement score. Under values, you can either type your custom options manually, one per line, like hot, warm, cold, not interested, need follow-up, interested, budget approval, interested, decision pending, etc., unqualified, or use a global pick list if you already have one set up. Decide if the field should be restricted to only your listed values or allow users to type custom entries. Generally, restricted is best for data consistency. And click Next. Set the field level security. This controls which user profiles can see or edit the field. And click Next again. Now decide whether to add this field to page layouts. That means it will appear when you view or edit a record. Once you're happy, click Save. Your new pick list field is now created. Now here's a bonus, which is modifying existing pick list values. Let's say you want to modify the values in an existing pick list. Here's how to do that. In Fields and Relationships, select the existing pick list that you want to change. Scroll to the pick list value section. Here you can click New to add a value. Click next to a value to delete it. Click Reorder to arrange the drop-down options in a specific order. And click Replace to globally swap out one value for another across all your records. Don't forget to click Save when you're done, and that's it. You've just created a custom picklist field and learned how to modify picklist values in Salesforce. These changes can help ensure that your data in your organization is relevant, useful, and tailored to your team's specific processes. Now with this, we've just scratched the surface today, and on the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. And I've also included a 5-minute overview video that will walk you through 3 strategies to improve results and reduce Salesforce costs. Included in this are details about this new Salesforce program called OSP that offers rebates that helps you use rebates from your licenses to invest in training and consulting. So please check out that How to Maximize Salesforce video and spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your business. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.